Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel.
I'm also my grandmother's. I can't wait for when I come there, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
So today you guys, as y'all can see, I'm back with another phone case. I'm gonna be really doing like a lot of phone cases on here because everything else is like short. I might can incorporate them in the video somehow, some way, but them videos just don't be long enough. But y'all know that's how I started with phone case, and that's how I'm going to end it. Period. Sorry, y'all. Let me stop. So today, you guys, I'm going in with the iPhone 6 Plus. I don't know why I had to look in the back. Come on, I should know my iPhones by now. But it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I want to hurry up and try to see if I can get something done before the kids start school. I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting a vlog up on my main channel, but be sure to go check out their vlog that I put up. Oh, I ain't put it up yet. I'm going to be putting that thing up today, but y'all probably going to be seeing this video probably, I don't even know, because I'm supposed to be posting 3 times a week, and I didn't even post yet. So, yeah, you guys, make sure y'all go over there and subscribe to my personal channel, Bay's Way, BAYYSWAYY. Go watch a video or two, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment, you guys. I do have a lot of content in mind when it comes to like the videos that I want to make, but let me know if y'all want to see something different. Y'all don't try to have a sister doing no pranks and nothing like that. You know, let's just keep it, you know, modest, you know, because I'm classy and I'm modest. So let's just keep it like that. And yeah, let's just get the blinging. Okay, you guys, so I'm all finished. I was thinking about putting some rhinestones like at the top of her head. I think I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna do it right now. Really quick. Just really quick. I hope I don't mess it up. And what I mean by mess it up is have glue all over the place. That's one of the things you gotta deal with when making these phone cases. So, let's see. I should have just put one color, but I'm gonna just do black and white. I mean black and red. Like that. Too much glue. Too much. I see that glue right there. I gotta get that off. But let me finish before this dry. That. Okay, you guys, so now I am completely done. I just got to go back in and clean up the glue. I know I see some glue right here. So let's just go ahead and pull back the plastic. And I have paper. Yo, it be hard sometimes pulling back this plastic. Oh, y'all, I did my nails. My fingers, like, I feel fat. My My hands are kind of swollen right now. I don't know why. All I did was take my vitamins and yeah, that's about it. Water and vitamins. Alright. And then off my knees. And I think it's one right here on this. I'm not sure. Oh no, it's not on here. I took it off already. Okay, you guys, so I gotta go back in and put some rhinestones inside the O and the N, the P as well. So I'm gonna go back in off camera and do that. But how do it look, you guys? Y'all already know what I do. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Make sure that you're already subscribed and turn on post notifications so y'all can be notified every time I upload a video. Like I said, videos will be coming 2 to 3 times a week. I'm trying to think. Let me look at my calendar. Okay, so we're gonna do videos Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Okay, you guys. Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday videos will be uploaded. All right. And don't forget to go and check out my personal channel, Bays Way, BAYYSWAYY. Turn on post notifications over there too. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.